So where you want to go? Here? Oh, we're jumping now. He's having problems. How many notifications did he send you? I see one. Yep. He's diving down right now. Oh, yep. I see two now. You got a gun.
What?
Is he chasing you still?
Yeah. Can you come help me?
I got him.
Do you have any guns for anything?
He only had a revolver.
I don't care. I want something.
Where are you at? Oh shoot! Bounce back. Oh shoot! I'm getting shot at. I'm getting shot at.
Where's the gun?
Right here. I have it. He has a shield. He has a shield. There's two. I got him down. What the hell? He's trying to pick him up.
He has no more ammo.
Oh shoot! I have no ammo.
Guys, come here. I can save you.
He has a gun.
Guys, I'm trying to stay alive.
Oh
Oh no.
Just not go.
I can't do nothing.
Help me.
I have no gun. I'm still alive.
Get out there.
He's fucking down,
No, I'm not. No. I have no gun. Now I have a gun. I'm scared. Take this with me. I had no gun! He was shooting me already.
He put away his gun for some reason. But it died. But then right as I picked up on the gun,
Come to Victor or what?
I am coming. For some reason this guy left too. I'm also
Victor, run to the left. Run west, Victor, west.
West?
There's 4 people coming.
you guys are out of the circle, right?
Damn it. Let's go around, hurry.
They're chasing you.
God.
Wait for him to pass so I could go through.
Alright, well, make sure on the other side.
Right, they left. I'm here.
I'm not gonna be jumping.
It could happen. Chest?
Yeah, right there in the middle.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look.
Oh.
We don't go.
Wait for the circle to come to see where this next one is, I guess.
Camp here? Campground?
Might as well.
Can you go inside the little...
No, you can't. I tried. I wish you can.
Right. Yeah, I am. CAM.
Shut up, we're in the campground, okay? Let's be.
Camping in the campground. Yeah, what's that right now?
You see someone?
No, it's States.
Oh. Oh. Wow. We're still in a circle. Am I done?
Are you fucking dancing, Victor?
Yeah?
You
You're-
should throw the fucking... Throw the plate. Throw the plate around it.
They turn it down soft into the same moves every time.
I know. Oh, look at that trash can. No, one. That.
That's surprising.
I
It's
should have
surprising.
things you can build that were.
Right?
Those are things you can build that were not noticeable. So you can camp the fuck out. Things you wouldn't be able to know that were built and shit. Build it.
Or like
Camping
build
right
a
out.
building that looks like an actual building.
Just something that someone wouldn't be able to tell that was built.
Like what then?
I don't know, like camouflage. Do what spot? Breakfast, yeah, that's what's in it.
Dun, 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 dun.
29 people only left. That's it.
nearly exploded? What the fuck? Okay, it's nearly exploded.
26 people sit there. I mean, someone probably picked them up or something. Oh shit, I guess I'm just right across.
Is he in the water?
Did you see like those? Who expected Angel?
Expecting you.
You didn't see those like cloud bubbles and people running?
I don't see him. Is someone in the water?
No, they were in the water. They were really like out there.
Oh, sorry. I thought I saw something in the water.
Right there?
I'm not that. I think it's like... But I think it's just like a shadow or like the other thing. Yeah, I think it's just there.
Only 24 people left. I'm counting us down. Oh shit.
Let's go to another spot. Some place to camp in. Let's go into there. Oh damn it, there's someone under there. There's like 5 people there.
Oh hell.
There's two in the houses, one under the house.
Victor camp, Victor camp.
I was watching Ben and Ben was just like, let's go over there as he was pointing and then just getting shot back.
Where the fuck is that?
Shots turned back at him. How nice.
Hell, they're gonna come over here after me now.
Victor, you got a camp looking at the door at the only entrance.
They should be for the window too.
Alright, but you can hide in the corner. See anybody's table.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, let's just stay there, huh, Victor? So I'm fucking up for our lives.
Dude, when they're around me, they're
fucking, how did they so shoot that and go in there?
oh, it's my feet.
Well, that was a grenade. Mm-hmm.
It's only 17.
It says 16.
Oh, I hear somebody.
Yeah, I hear him.
Oh.
Alright, don't kill him, just let him fucking.
Oh my
damn!
God.
Oh my god!
Bro, Victor, run while you have a chance!
Oh,
They don't see me. No, oh, no, 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 no.
That'd be crazy as fuck if they don't see you.
They don't see me.
Dude, last time I was hiding from like 2 guys behind a barrel. I was
Oh
down.
damn, someone killed them, Victor, run!
They're over there. I think they're on top of a mountain or something. Cause I saw. I think they're on top of a mountain. Oh my god, they killed them.
damn.
Oh my god!
Oh, they're over there.
Don't see me.
Yeah. Is this one guy? Is this one guy? Yeah, oh, I can finally be there fucking... He sees you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You should have picked up the rest.
No, you should fucking not die. that guy have? Like, if you gotta make it over there. Yeah. How'd you kill 2 people? What about like the crowd?
Oh, shit, this-
No, he's close. What are you doing?
I don't know.
That guy's building a campsite.
Go get the rest.
We'll get the
What is
rest?
that?
Go get the rest.
Oh, Victor, the guy's literally right there.
Hmm.
We only have 75 live.
Yeah, he's fucking.
I think someone just grabs him. Run, 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 run. Yeah, oh yeah, just fucking slowly crawl away.
They will hear me running if I get up.
Alright, now you're far enough, go.
Find a bush and hide in it.
Or a closet.
So, what the Is this a good? No, not good.
Hide there.
It's good enough.
Nobody will expect you. Look at that
It's the holy shotgun.
7 people. Or
6.
6 people technically.
And I'm fucking scared as hell. Oh shit.
Stairway to heaven. Or 4 people. Let me stairway to heaven.
You should wait for him to go really high up and just fucking shoot the button.
Mm-hmm. But it looks like somebody's shooting it down as well.
No, I don't think they're building a stairway or anything. I think they're just...
Yeah, someone's shooting it.
Maybe they are. Oh my gosh. I'm really hoping... Yeah, but they're smart. Look, they made like a whole bunch. They didn't make it just like one stair. They made it. Oh my gosh. That
What
can't be
was
good.
that? Oh.
Look.
There's a
Watch
war!
the fucking stairs. Watch the stairs. Watch the stairs.
There's a war going on!
Are they up there? They're up there, huh?
Oh,
Oh. They're at the bottom.
somebody building that shit then.
Oh.
It's the same guy.
It's just one guy. God damn it.
Is it?
Dude, oh. Alright. Yeah, I think it's just one guy.
You guys are all dead.
Oh, he doesn't know I'm here.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my god!
He gets like really high up, starts to shoot it down.
Wait, what's under him? Look what's under him.
Metal.
Oh, no.
It's metal. That's gonna take a long time to build. Oh my god.
What if
There's
you get
only
shot
3
by,
people!
like, what if you get shot by crossfire?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's just this one guy and 2 other people than you. Cause that guy's by himself for sure.
Mm-hmm.
So there's gotta be 2 other people.
Keep him on my position? Hell no.
You better hope this guy kills you with his people. I think I have to go
Don't
over
run out,
to
but like, look for another bush and hide it.
No, do not.
No.
run out. Stay there.
There's a bush all the way down there. But I don't know if
No,
that's in the
that's-
circle. That's not in the circle.
Whoa.
I wonder if people were just fucking like watching it.
I know.
I think people would back out by the time. Oh.
Here he is again.
Oh my god.
Oh my
What if he
god.
tries to hide in the same bush?
I'll grenade him. I'll fucking grenade him.
Shut him. Take your gun out, Victor. Don't do that.
No,
Is he
don't
up
be
there?
switching guns. Yeah, he's up there.
Oh, he's back down.
Like, wait, just see if-
What if you get killed by like crossfire?
I'm fucking scared.
Tink tock, tink tock. Where's the other 2 guys?
I don't know.
The circle's coming in closer. The circle's coming in closer. I like how you have 0 kills.
I got 2 kills. Oh my god.
You
Right
should
there,
so
Victor.
just take
Kill
him
him.
out. No, don't do it. Wait for him to take out the 2 guys. I know he'll take out the 2 guys. And then when he's most distracted, just fuck him. When he kills them or some shit, I don't know.
I wonder how much this guy must be. But oh, that's oh, there's someone right there.
Mhm.
See him.
You can see him. Turn around. Oh, he doesn't. He's gotta see him around. He's gotta kill him.
Make any fucking
Right
noise,
there.
Victor. Don't make
I'm not
There,
doing
there.
shit.
They're there.
Guys
They're
right
there.
there. Kill that guy. He's
They're
fucking.
hiding behind
Oh,
stairs.
never mind.
You better hope this guy does not throw a fucking. Oh. Is it just.
Oh, he sees me now.
Kill him.
He sees me now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they won. Oh, they have 3.
Oh, it's all 3 of them?
They were looking for me.
Oh.
This whole time.
You should just don't even have a chance. Damn it!
I thought it was just 2 people and
Yeah, I thought it was
one
one.
guy.
That guy never
Second
like.
place, not bad, guys.
I don't never was just anybody else.
And this whole time they were looking for me.
Whole time it was all 3.
I never knew that.
That's funny. What the hell that guy found you?
Like, he fought hiding in a bush. He's like, oh look, a bush right there.
Let me just
Hey,
shoot him.
man.
And he told his teammates, he's in the bush!
Hey, second place, bad guys.
Not bad.